Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add a description to your Spotify playlist. If you want to make your playlist more personal and stand out, in this video, I'll show you exactly how in just a few steps. So let's dive in. First, open Spotify on your mobile device. Then choose the playlist you want to edit from your library. Then tap on the three dots and choose Edit Playlist. Here you'll see an option called Add Description. Tap on it, and here you can type a short and catchy summary for your playlist. After you're done, tap on Save on the top right. And there you have it, a personalized playlist description that tells your vibe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.